Running insurance ads on Facebook in 2026 feels harder than ever. But the secret to success is no longer precise targeting. It's something else entirely. Since 2025, Meta's special ad category for financial services is mandatory. This removes your ability to target by age, gender, or zip code, wiping out old strategies. Here's how you win. We'll show you the 5 ad formats and creative styles that work in this new reality. First, understand the market is brutal. Insurance ad costs per click can run from $1.05 to $3.77. With high costs, every click must be counted. Meta's Conversion API is now mandatory for accurate tracking. Since you can't micro-target, you must use your own data. Your client lists are the key to building lookalike audiences. So with the technical set, how does your creative do the targeting for you? It starts with universal life events. In this environment, your ad's first 3 seconds are everything. A hook-first structure is non-negotiable. The top advertisers have systemized this approach into 5 core ad formats. Let's start with Format 1, the lead form quiz ad. It works by trading personalized advice for user information. The secret is using 2 or 3 qualifying questions, like, when does your policy expire, to filter out low-intent leads. So, what should these ads look like? The dominant style is UGC, User-Generated Content. This brings us to Format 2, the short video explainer. Keep it under 45 seconds with 1 pain point and subtitles. Format 3 is the customer testimonial ad, but with a twist. Specificity wins. $480 in annual savings works. Next, Format 4, the carousel comparison ad. Use each card to compare features or debunk a common myth. Finally, Format 5, the urgency-driven ad. It counters procrastination by tying into real deadlines like open enrollment. Underneath all these formats is psychology. The most powerful principle is loss aversion. But it gets stranger. Sometimes the less polished your ad, the better. A simple text-on-background design can outperform slick creative. Why? Because they appear native in the feed. They break through ad blindness and build trust by not looking like ads. Now, where should you send this traffic? This starts the biggest debate: instant forms versus landing pages. Data shows Facebook's instant forms get more leads at lower costs, but landing pages often convert at a higher rate. So, which is better? Let's connect this. We said creative must replace targeting. A UGC-style video using a loss aversion hook speaks directly to a new homeowner. The winning formula combines an authentic style with genuinely helpful information. Lead with education, not a sales pitch. Now the answer: instant form or landing page? The smartest marketers use both. Use instant forms for high-volume offers, like a guide, and landing pages for high-intent actions, like a quote request. The old playbook of granular demographic targeting for insurance advertising is finished. Master the 5 core formats: quiz ads, video explainers, specific testimonials, comparison carousels, and urgency ads. Adopt a UGC-first mindset. Use loss aversion in your hooks, and never be afraid to test creative that feels simple. But this is all worthless if you make one critical mistake: letting an agency run ads without you owning the ad account. Your pixel data, your audience learnings, these are business assets. Losing them is like handing over your client list. Own your assets, master the new creative playbook, and build your strategy on a solid technical foundation. To go deeper, download our complete guide to the 5 winning ad formats, which includes templates you can start with today. Stop fighting the algorithm with outdated targeting. Start persuading people with creative that connects. That is how you win in 2026.